Corrine from Katy has a rusty bar.
It's on her garage door.
Well, as long as she's not drinking there, it's okay.
Right. Corrine writes, the bar that was installed when I had my door redone has a lot of rust on it, even though the installer says it's new. As you can see here in this picture she sent, it's just got some surface rust on it. The installer said it's a steel bar with surface rust and will not affect the life of the spring. He said the rust can just be oiled off, and that bothers her because she thinks that new parts should look like new parts. Corrine wants to know, should she remove this time?
If it's in a garage, and it is, right?
Right.
And you see a huge amount of rust growing quickly on metal parts, if I could, and we can't ask her, does she have chlorine tablets in her garage? Is she storing salt for her water softener in her garage? Does she have some fertilizers that are outgassing in her garage? Because they will make things rust like crazy. Okay. And that's what that looks like. Okay. As far as it hurting that in the long term, it would take years and years, because rust actually, in some cases, protects the metal from corrosion. Really? Because have you seen the big beams on the overpasses and they get real rusty? Yeah, that's on purpose. So it's a protective coating. So it's ugly. I wouldn't like it. You can wash it with white vinegar and wire brush it and try to get it down, but I suspect something's in a garage causing that. So it's kind of like when we put on extra weight, it's actually protecting our bones. That's why I eat donuts. All right. That's a good reason. And when you write to us, we protect you with your home improvements. Go ahead and send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You can see some of our other videos here and help us out and subscribe to our channel.